Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing for you, and it is my Look Incredible. This is the deluxe box that I'm opening today for you, and it costs £35 per month, and it usually has quite a lot of higher end products in it, which is why I like it. I've just recently subscribed to this one. I have been getting the standard box for quite a while. But yeah, I thought let's just have a little look at the deluxe box and see what we've got in this month. So I think you usually get about 4 products which are high end. Let's open it up. So this is it inside, and we have a card which says the February. Oh, sorry, I've just knocked the tripod. Sorry, guys. So it's the February Deluxe Edition. It doesn't really give you a load of sort of flowery, fluffy details and things. It just tells you basically about the products inside. So let's have a look. So first thing I have got here is something by Becca, and it is the Becca Glow on the Go, and it is the Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. So let's have a little look at this. What does it say first of all? So here we are. So it is, so yeah, Becca Opal Glow on the Go collection. Value is £20. So it says 2 Becca favourites in clutch bag compatible sizes. These shimmering skin perfectors will keep you glowing through the summer season and beyond, containing both the pressed and liquid versions of the best-selling Opal. These illuminating formulas will effortlessly highlight your best features. Really excited. I haven't had anything by Becca before. Just see if I can get into it. I'm at hospital this afternoon, so see what's going on with my arm then. Alright, so it just slides out. I'm making a bit of a hash. Here we go. So this is how it comes out. So we've got a liquid and a powder. I've moved position now. I'm next to the windowsill. It makes life a bit easier for me to put things down. She says. Right then, so this is the little powder palette. Why is everything so hard to open? Oh, I need Glennie to open these. Oh my word. Oh, you devil. Right, there we go. So it's got a little mirror, and this is the powder. It looks really nice. Oh, so it's very golden, and I can't see here because, but there we are. Let's have a look in there. Oh yeah, so that's really pretty. So it's a really nice golden highlighter. And then we have the liquid version, which is here. Oh god, there we go. I can open it one-handed. When it says Becca on the top of the lid. And so it's just like on a wand here, and it's pop a bit on my finger. So it feels really smooth. Can't close it. You might see better. I can't see properly. There we go. So it's a really nice shimmery highlighter. So yeah, that's the first product. So next thing we have is this from Lancome, and it is the Lancome Definicils High Definition Mascara in black. And so it says here, amplify your lashes with the Definicils Mascara from Lancome, featuring a patented brush. And with grooved bristles, the black mascara evenly distributes, separates and coats lashes from the root for a thickened, extended and lifted effect. Weightless and clump free, you can expect a natural looking, even finish with every use. Price of this is £24.50. Again, I don't think I've had anything from Lancome before either. Oh, it's a really nice, it feels quite light actually, but it's a very stylish packaging. Very sleek and feels quite slimline. It's got the Lancome on the handle there and the lid. And let's have a look at the brush. It's a really nice thin brush there, nice bristles, so I think that'll be a really nice product to use. I will feedback on all of these at some point in future videos. So yeah, I'm happy to get that. Next item we've got is by Benefit, and it's the They're Real Double the Lip. And this, so it's a lipstick and liner. It's one of these dual tipped colours, I'll show you in a second. So the price of this is £17. It says get fuller looking lips in one easy stroke with They're Real Double the Lip. This lip liner and lipstick in one features a custom teardrop lip that grabs and defines your lip line and fills in lips with a complementing colour for the appearance of volume and dimension. This semi-matte lipstick comes in neutral to bright shades for visibly fuller, sexy lips. This is in the shade Flame Game, which sounds a little bit out my comfort zone, if I'm honest. It looks like it's an orangey red shade. I did have a mini one of these before in one of my Birchboxes last year, maybe last year or the year before, and to be honest I didn't get on with it very well. So I'll have a little look. If it's not the sort of shade I like, I will maybe give it in a giveaway. I'll give it to someone. So this is it here, so you can see it has the teardrop shaped tip, and it's got a darker red at the top with a more orange bottom, and that way you can do like more of an ombre lip. So I don't know if you can see a bit easier there. So I'll maybe give it a go when in the summer, it might be nice. But it is a full size product, which is great, you know, and as I say, you only get full sizes in Look Incredible, so that's really, really good. It's something to consider. And then my final thing I've got is a palette, and it is a cargo palette. They do seem to quite like cargo palettes. I don't actually think I have a cargo palette yet, so I can't really give an opinion on whether I think that they're good or bad. Let me just get my scissors. But I think they do some of the palettes are quite good, some aren't so good, so I think they could be a bit of hit and miss. And there's a bit of an argument about whether they're really a high-end brand. I know some people get a bit upset about them being in their boxes. You can often pick up cargo palettes in TK Maxx. It's always worth having a look there if it is a product that you like. So it is Cargo Chill in the 6 eyeshadow palette. It's quite a substantial palette. It feels very chunky, very Christmassy, so obviously it's been part of the Christmas collection. And it just says, let's open it, it says pamper your eyes with this dreamy eyeshadow palette by Cargo. Let me open it first and I'll talk to you. Okay, so I've got it out the box. So this is it here. This is the palette. It's a really nice looking palette. They are cardboard. I think it has the metallic flip up lid. And to be honest, they're actually shades that I would use. They're really quite nice shades. I normally go for more warm shades, but these are definitely quite a lot of cool shades in there. But they're definitely ones that I would have a go with, and I'm pleased to sort of see this. There is a mirror also in the palette, and there is a double-ended brush, which actually looks quite a nice... Oh, I can't do this. The brush looks quite a nice brush. Let me get out the packet. So there is like where we've got like a more flat one there for packing on your shimmers, and then a nice fluffier one for in the crease and things like that, and for blending. So I actually think that's not a bad brush as far as palette brushes go. I'll just swatch a couple of colours for you here. This is 1996, which is a really nice mauvey purple shade, and there's a silver shade called Blizzard, which looks nice, and there is a nice one called Maple. That's a nice bronzy one, and I'll do one more, The North, which is like a lilac, and that's that. So I think these look really nice shades. I might try and do a look on this palette. I'll wait till I've got two hands so I can swatch properly for you and things. But yeah, that's a nice one. It should value at $29.99. As I say, you can often get them quite cheaply in TK Maxx. So it says here, pamper your eyes with this dreamy eyeshadow palette by Cargo. It features a wintry cool toned blend of purples, blues and silver eyeshadows with a bold eyeliner to enhance the appearance of the eyes. Oh, was there an eyeliner in there? Let me just check. 12 eyeshadows in cool tones of purple, blue, versatile dual-ended applicator brush included black eye pencil, helps define your upper and lower eyelids, paraben-free formula. So on the picture here you can see that there should be a brush and then an eyeliner. I'm just going to look back in the palette. I am sure that this was not in here. No, this is not what they've said. That is purely just the brush. Now, I'm having a few issues with Look Incredible and their descriptions and how they're getting their prices, because that is definitely, whilst this is the correct palette, Chillin' the 6 palette, yes, it is not that one that has the brush in it, which is obviously a different kit. Last month, we got a brown pencil. In fact, have I got it here? And so in last month's box we got this pencil from Gucci, and it was a brown pencil, and I was really happy about this. It's got pencil on one end, smudge on the other, but on the description it said it should come with a sharpener, with a pencil sharpener, which it didn't. And also, after I'd done my unboxing, I noticed that on the side there was a sticker which said it was a tester. So I contacted Look Incredible last month about this, and I said, like, look, it says it's a tester. It was in the plain white box, not the proper product box, and also there was no sharpener with it. So they said, well, yeah, they apologised, and so they've offered to send me something extra in my box this month. And so they've sent me a Florapy sheet mask. I've had this before. I do like these, so I'm really pleased to receive this. But this month, again, the product is not matching the description of the card that they've sent. You know, so it's like, just make sure you've got your information correct. That's all I'm saying, because really now the value of that is not equal to that, because it's a different product. So yeah, I sound a bit moany. You know, if it just says I was getting the palette, I'd be really happy, but it's not as described. I've already just contacted them this month with my standard box. I'll tell you about that one, because I've been sent a palette I had just pretty recently from them as well. So it looks like they're having a few issues, which is a shame, because I really like Look Incredible. I really love my boxes, so I'm not complaining, but it's just not 100% correct, is it really? So yeah, there we go. But just as a recap, what we've got is, so yeah, we've got, I mean, you can't argue this for £35. We've got a Cargo palette. We've got the Becca Highlight Duo. I've got the Benefit Double the Lip lipstick, and we have the Lancôme mascara. So I mean, that is a really, really good box in my opinion. It's just these few little things which just take the shine off it for me. So yeah, there we go. I hope you found this useful. I sound whiny. Yeah, I hope you found it useful. If you have, please do give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, and if you pop back, I will be back probably tomorrow with another unboxing for you all. So take care, guys. See you all very soon. Bye.